Let us continue solid state numericals. We will take one sum. Lithium borohydride. Lithium borohydride crystallizes. Lithium borohydride crystallizes in an orthorhombic system. In an orthorhombic system with 4 molecules per unit cell. With 4 molecules per unit cell. The unit cell dimensions are dimensions are A is equal to 6.8 angstrom, B is equal to 4.4 angstrom, and C is equal to 7.2 angstrom. If the molar mass is 21.76, calculate density of crystal. Calculate density of crystal. Sorry. Now they are asking us to calculate density. What is the system here given is a orthorhombic system. System is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic system is given. Okay. In this orthorhombic system, number of molecules per unit cell is given is 4. Number of molecules per unit cell is 4. Now ABC given, from that we can say volume. Volume is equal to A into B into C. So we will substitute ABC values. We will get a volume of system. We will get it. So we have to find molecular mass is given. So we have to find the density. We have to find density formula. We will take density is equal to Z into molar mass by volume into Avogadro number. So Z is called the number of particles per unit cell. Number of particles per unit cell given is 4. Into M is called the molecular mass. Molecular mass is 21.76 given, that one. And what is the unit for 21.76 means gram per mole. Unit for 21.76 is gram per mole, that we will write. And we will substitute volume. Volume value 6.8, the ABC given, A value 6.8 angstrom. So 6.8 into angstrom we will substitute in a centimeter. So we have substituted A. B we will substitute 4.4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. C we will substitute 7.2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Then this N naught Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole. Per mole we substituted. Okay, so we substituted all the values. Now we will simplify. We will get to what, in the sense we will get to density. We will get what is the unit of density means this gram per centimeter cube. Per mole get cancelled. So we got density. So density is equal to 0.6709. Unit is gram per centimeter cube. It is a density value. So next we will go to next question. So we are taking next question. A compound AB as a rock type structure. As a rock type structure. As a rock type structure with A is to B. With A is to B is equal to 1:1. The formula weight means molecular mass of AB is 6.023 into 6.023 Y AMU, atomic mass unit. And the closest distance of AB is Y power 1/3 nanometer. Now, two subdivisions. First subdivision, calculate density of lattice. Calculate the density of lattice. Second subdivision. If the observed density of lattice is found to be 20 kilogram per meter cube, 20 kilogram per meter cube, then predict the type of defect. Then predict the type of defect. It is the question. Here, what is given? In this case, rock type structure is given. Rock type structure means sodium chloride crystal structure. Sodium chloride crystal structure is called rock salt type structure. Next given is formula weight. Formula weight is nothing but what means molecular mass. Then why did they say formula weight? Formula weight is usually said for ionic compounds. Then that means this AB is ionic compound. The ratio is 1:1 given. Sorry, okay. Here what is given means molecular mass and the distance between AB is given. Okay, we have to calculate density and so on. So okay. Now how this AB will be there, that we will see. Now we will take this AB comes under which type of crystal system, that we will take. It is coming under which type of crystal system in sodium chloride? Sodium chloride coming under FCC crystal system. Sir, in this FCC crystal system, we will take a phase. In the phase, we will take a edge. In the edge, we will take. How the edge will be there? In the edge, how it is present in the sense? Corner. It is corner. We will take it is corner. Okay, it is the corner. Then what will be there means edge center will be there. Then edge center will be there. Next what will be there means corner will be there. Next corner will be there. Okay. So if you consider anion is forming what means FCC. Then we have to write anion in the corner. Then cation you have to write at edge center. So you are writing anion in the corners, you are writing cation, you are writing in the edge center. Okay, it is edge. So here they said closest distance of AB is y power 1/3. What does it mean? That means this center point to this center point, that we have to take closest distance this side. So now we will take edge. It is one corner. It is one corner. It is another corner. Corner. So a line joining two corners is called edge. So it is edge. This is then in the between edge, what is there means edge center is there. Here what is there means edge center is there. It is edge center. Now they said this distance from corner to edge center distance is given. Corner to edge center distance is given as y power 1/3 nanometer. Corner to edge center distance is given y power 1/3 nanometer. Therefore, this edge is equal to edge length. This edge length is equal to what means 2y power 1/3. 2y power 1/3 nanometer. It is edge length. Sir, we know the edge length. Now they are asking density. Density in the sense we want number of constituent particles per unit cell, for which we will take NaCl. NaCl in the sense NaCl, if you take we will say 4 NaCl units. 4 NaCl units present per unit cell. Of FCC crystal lattice we calculated already. So this AB comes under NaCl crystal system. Therefore, number of particles, number of AB per unit cell is 4. Sir, regarding molecular mass, what is given means molecular mass is equal to given as 6.023 y AMU is given. Convert AMU into grams. for which 6.023. AMU we are converting into grams, for which we will divide this by Avogadro number. Now the unit is gram. The unit is gram. Okay, sir. We know the molecular mass. We know. Then we have to substitute what in the sense volume. Volume we want in the sense volume is equal to edge length cube. Edge length is given as 2y power 1 by 3 nanometer. It is edge length. We know edge length. From this volume we can come to know. We know the molecular mass. We know number of constituent particles per unit cell. We know. From this we will go to density. Now density is equal to 4. 4 means 4 AB units present per unit cell of FCC crystal into molecular mass. Molecular mass is how much means 6.023 y AMU. We will convert AMU into grams, for which we will divide this by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Now the unit is gram. We will convert this into kilogram, for which we will multiply by 10 power minus 3. Now we can say unit is kilogram per molecule. Kilogram per molecule is the unit now, sir. Next, molecular mass we substituted. Next we will write in the denominator. In the denominator we have to substitute volume. We have to substitute volume is nothing but A cube. A is called edge length. Edge length is how much means 2 y power 1 by 3 nanometer. Nanometer we will convert into meter. So 10 power minus 9 meter. It is edge length. We will cube it. We will get volume. We will get volume. Okay. So we got volume. It is for how much in the sense here 4 molecules. 4 molecules. It is for 1 unit cell. It is for 1 unit cell. Now we will calculate density. Density we will calculate. We will get a density value. Density value is how much means 5. What is the unit? This kilogram we will write. Then this meter cube. This meter cube we will write. Okay, meter cube we have written. Here per molecule is given. Then here 4. 4 means what? 4 times AB molecules. 4 times AB molecules. This molecule per molecule get cancelled. So we got density. Okay, we got calculated density. This is what means calculated value. Calculated density we got. Okay. In the question, observed density is given in the second subdivision. Observed density is given. That is how much means 20 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. So observed density is given. We calculated density by you comparing these to what type of defect they are asking. What type of defect? What type of defect will be present? Now, this calculated density is less. Observed density is more. Observed density is more than calculated density means how, when it is possible? When it is possible? What type of defects and all is there? What type of defects and all is there? One is a Schottky defect. Schottky defect means due to Schottky defect density reduces, density decreases. Therefore, the given question is not coming under Schottky defect. Next one we discussed Frenkel defect. Frenkel defect means density remains same. Therefore, the given question is not coming under Frenkel defect. Next one is impurity defect is there. Impurity defect. Impurity defect means, for this we took an example. What means sodium chloride crystal we took. Sodium chloride crystal we took. Then to this we added impurity. What is the impurity we added? Means strontium chloride impurity we added. Then we melted the contents and cooled. Then it is taken for crystallization. We got crystals. How that crystals was there? How that crystals was there means Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Cl minus Sr2 plus, Sr2 plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus vacant site, Cl minus here what means here Na plus. Okay, here one mistake is there. Here what means Na plus Here Na plus is there. How we got here Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. Then here what has to come? Cl minus. Then Sr2 plus Cl minus, Na plus we got. Sorry, we wrote here Na plus. Next what means Cl minus? Here we will write vacant site. Here Cl minus. Next Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus. Okay, like this we have written. Due to addition of strontium, what happens? Strontium replaces 2 sodium ions and 1 sodium ion place is occupied by strontium, another place is vacant. Okay, strontium mass number is greater than sodium. Strontium mass number is greater than sodium means we are adding higher mass into lower mass. We are adding higher mass into lower mass means what will happen to the density? Density certainly increases. So here what happens means density increases, we can say. Therefore, this is coming under which defect in the sense impurity defect. Here we said observed density. Observed density is greater than calculated density. Therefore, it is coming under which defect in the sense impurity defect. Impurity defect we can say. It is coming under impurity defect we can say. In the impurity defect, which type of impurity defect? One is called interstitial impurity defect. Interstitial impurity defect. Another one is called substitutional impurity defect. Substitutional impurity defect means we are substituting sodium. Substituting means one is removed, another one is added. Like this. Interstitial means everything is there, impurity additionally added. Okay, that is called interstitial impurity defect. Substitutional impurity defect. Here observed density is greater than calculated density. Therefore, this is coming under which category in the sense impurity defect we can say. Sir. Next, we will go for next question. The density of solid argon is 1.65 gram per ml. Is 1.65 gram per ml at minus 233 degrees Celsius. If the argon atom is assumed to be sphere, of radius 1.54 into 10 power 1.54 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. What percentage of solid argon is apparently empty space? Atomic weight of argon, atomic mass of argon is 40. Atomic mass of argon is 40 is given. Sir. Now density is given. Sir. Density is given and sphere radius is given. Radius of sphere is given. Okay. Sir. And atomic mass is given. Okay. Now they are asking us to calculate a fraction of empty space. Percentage of empty space they are asking us to calculate. Okay. So how to find a percentage of empty space, that we will see. Okay. First we will take density. We will take density. Density says that 1 ml of argon solid, 1 ml of argon solid weighs 1.65 gram. Sir, let us convert 1.65 grams into number of atoms. Okay. So number of argon atoms is equal to mass of argon by atomic mass gram per mole. This number of moles will convert into number of atoms, for which we will multiply this with Avogadro number. It is number of atoms per mole. Okay, number of atoms per mole. So gram is getting cancelled, per mole is getting cancelled, so we are getting a number of argon atoms we are getting. Sorry, we got what in the sense number of argon atoms we got it. Sorry, this is what means number of argon atoms. Okay, next we will see sphere. Argon is sphere, that radius is given from this we can say volume of argon atom. Volume of argon atom we can find. Volume of argon atom is equal to sphere radius, so 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, radius cube, radius we will substitute 1.54 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter cube. It is a volume of one argon atom. Sir, volume of all these argon atoms. Now we will find volume of all these argon atoms. We will find volume of all the argon atoms. We will find it now. Okay, volume of all the argon atoms. So we will find total volume of all argon atoms in 1 ml of solid. In 1 ml of solid we will find volume of one argon atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3, 22 by 7. R value, radius is how much in the sense 1.54 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter cube. Number of argon atoms in 1 ml. Number of argon atoms in 1 ml is 1.65 gram. Atomic mass into Avogadro number. This gives what means total volume of all argon atoms in 1 ml. This is equal to how much in the sense 0.38 centimeter cube. Okay, so now you see that we have discussed total volume. Total volume is equal to volume of all atoms plus volume of empty space. Total volume is how much means 1 ml. Volume of all atoms is 0.38 ml. So from this we will get volume of empty space. Now they are asking a percentage of empty space. Percentage of empty space is equal to volume of empty space by total volume into 100. Volume of empty space is how much means 1 minus 0.38. Total volume is 1 into 100. It gives a percentage of empty space, that is 62%. Okay, we will go to next question. Next question is the unit cell cube length. The unit cell cube length. The unit cell cube length for LiCl. In the brackets, LiCl comes under NaCl structure. NaCl structure is 5.14 angstrom. Assuming anion contact. Calculate the ionic radius for. Calculate the ionic radius for Cl minus ion. Calculate the ionic radius for Cl minus ion. Sir, okay. So here what is given? Edge length is given. Okay. Then they said LiCl comes under NaCl structure. Okay. So lithium chloride comes under sodium chloride structure, they said. Sorry. Now, sodium chloride structure in the sense it is what means FCC. It is FCC. So we will write FCC. We will take a phase. In the phase, first we will write what in the sense one corner. It is one corner. Next, phase center. It is phase center. It is corner. This is corner. Okay. These are what means Cl minus ions. These are Cl minus ions, we can say. Okay, these are what means Cl minus ions. Next, we will say Li plus. Li plus is in edge center. Li plus is in edge center. So this is what means Li plus. Okay, we said Li plus. Next, we will say this corner to this corner is called edge length. Edge length is given, that is edge length. Edge length is given 5.14 angstrom. 5.14 angstrom. Okay. Then Cl minus ionic radius they are asking. Cl minus ionic radius they are asking. Okay. Now we will take from here, we will draw a point here. Then we will go to this place. Now we will take this is this is A, this is B, this is C. We will take triangle ABC. We'll take A, this is B, this is C. Now what is, now we have taken like this, sir. From this how to find that we will see. Okay. Now we will drop a perpendicular. This is, we will say D. Now this edge length is 5.14. From this we can say BD is how much means 5.14 by 2 angstrom we can say. AB is, okay, we have changed the symbol, so that symbol will again, here C we have written, here B we have written. So AC is equal to 2 times radius of anion. Then okay, like this is there. CD we know A R minus 2 times R minus AC. Sorry, okay. So now from this we will calculate what, in the sense this we will calculate. This AD we will take. Now we can say AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square we can say. Sir, AC square is what means 2 times radius of anion. AD is what means 5.14 by 2 angstrom. Okay. CD is what means radius of cation plus radius of anion. Radius of cation plus radius of anion is what means CD. That is equal to how much means 5.14 by 2 angstrom. Okay. Now, so we know all the values. From this we can find the radius of anion. Radius of anion is how much, in the sense 1.815 angstrom. Okay. Next, we'll go to next question. A solid compound AB as NaCl structure. If the radius of cation is 100 picometer, what is the radius of anion? What is the radius of anion? It is a question, sir. So here given is a NaCl structure. Okay. Cation radius given, anion radius they are asking. So NaCl structure, in the sense FCC. FCC means anion forms FCC. Cation occupies octahedral void. It is sodium chloride. Now AB is having this structure. Therefore B minus forms FCC. A plus occupies octahedral void. For octahedral void, what is the radius ratio? Radius of cation by radius of anion for octahedral void is equal to 0.414 to 0.732 for octahedral void. For octahedral void, sir, 0.414 means neighboring anions are in contact. Neighboring anions are in contact, and anions are in contact with cation. Are in contact with cation. Okay, if 0.414, 0.732 and other distances greater than 0.414 and up to 0.732 means between neighboring anions gap will be there. Between neighboring anions gap is present. Between neighboring anions gap is present. Okay, here it in this question comes under which category? Which category it is coming? Whether it is 0.414 or greater than 0.414 up to 0.732, which category it comes? They did not mention. If they do not mention regarding gap, then we have to consider this point only. We have to consider. They did not mention between anions gap is present or not present. They did not mention. Under that circumstance, we have to go for what, in the sense we have to go for this point. We have to go. That means what is the point? Means neighboring anions are in contact, then anions are in contact with the cation. Like this only we have to take. So we have to consider radius ratio as how much, in the sense 0.414 we have to consider. Greater than 0.414 we should not consider, because we do not know what is the gap between neighboring anions. We do not know. That is not mentioned. So take radius ratio as 0.414 you must take. Okay, therefore we are taking radius ratio as 0.414. So radius of cation by radius of anion is equal to 0.414. Let us substitute the given value. Radius of cation is given, that is 100 picometer is given. They are asking radius of anion. So radius of anion we have to find. So we are finding radius of anion, that is equal to 241.5 picometer. Okay, let us go to next question. In a compound AB, the ionic radii of A plus and B minus are 88 and 200 picometer respectively. 200 picometer respectively. What is the coordination number of A plus? What is the coordination number of A plus? Okay, so we have to find a coordination number of A plus. We have to find it, sir. Now what is given means radius of cation and radius of anion is given. Okay, radius of cation by radius of anion is equal to, let us substitute the values. Radius of cation is how much? Means 88 picometer. Radius of anion is how much? Means 200 picometer. We are simplifying. We are getting how much? Means 0.44 we are getting, sir. Now this radius ratio comes under which category? This radius ratio comes under which category? Means it is coming in between 0.414 to 0.732. So the calculated radius ratio comes in between these two. Therefore it is what? Means octahedral void. Octahedral void in the sense coordination number how much? In the sense 6. Octahedral void means coordination number is 6 we can say. Okay, let us go to next question. Calculate the concentration of cation vacancies. If NaCl is doped with if NaCl is doped with 10 power minus 3 mole percent, 10 power minus 3 mole percent of SrCl2. Okay. Now, cation vacancies they are asking. We know the concept. Concept says that for each strontium ion, one cation vacant site present in NaCl crystal. That's what concept we are seeing. For each strontium ion, one cation vacant site is there. So, what is the concentration of strontium? That is the concentration of cation vacancy. That's all. So, concentration of strontium is equal to concentration of cation vacancy. Concentration of cation vacancy. Therefore, cation vacancy is how much in the sense 10 to the power of minus 3 mole percentage. 10 to the power of minus 3 mole percentage. Therefore, is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 moles cation vacancies multiplied by Avogadro number. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 10 to the power of minus 23 minus 5, that is. This is minus 23, not minus 5. Okay. This is called total cationic vacancies. So total cationic vacancies. Total cationic vacancies is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 18 vacancies. Okay. So here understand it, for each strontium ion, one cation site is vacant. Okay. So concentration of strontium is equal to concentration of cation vacancies. That's all. Okay. So concentration of cation vacancies is equal to 10 power minus 3 mole percentage. To remove percentage, multiply by divide by 100. So 10 power minus 5 moles. Convert moles into number, so multiply by Avogadro number. So you are getting a total cationic vacancies you got. So we got what in the sense total cationic vacancies we got it. Sir. Now what is the conclusion we got in the sense if we thorough in the concept, then we can attempt the questions. Okay. So let us complete. We'll continue tomorrow.